There we go then. We're in the field now, he's baling the small bales. He's just going back round the headland. He's got quite a lot more to do yet. You can see he's done a few here. Oh, I've stood on one. I stood on an 8. They're not bad density. Pretty good actually, about the same as the field we did before. I don't think we'll get many out of here though, because it's a very light crop. But that's the problem when you're in this stewardship scheme, you can't put any fertiliser on. So we're a bit low on the nutrients to make the grass grow. Bingo. Dusty, you can see the dust coming out of there, can't you? Thank goodness for these modern cabs. Anyway, I'll leave him to it now and we'll come back and have a look later and see how many bales he's done.